Hi all, welcome to Bring on Tech. In my first video, I showed you how you can create an account in AWS. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you what you are going to do once you log into your AWS Management Console. What is the first thing you are going to do here? So, whenever you log into your AWS Management Console for the first time, go to your account. This is your account name. Whatever your account name you gave during creation, that is going to reflect here. That is going to show here. Okay. So go to your My Billing dashboard. So the idea here is, as most of you will be new users who are interested in seeing this video. So how to create your budget, how to create an alert, so that you, in case you're getting charged, you know what is the amount that had been charged till now, what is the forecasted, and how you can maintain your AWS account. So the first thing is, let's create a budget. Okay, say you want to spend not more than $5 a month, you can set that. So let's create a budget. It's a Whether you want to create a cost budget, you want to create a usage budget, you want to create a reservation budget, you want to create a saving plan budget, all these options are there. But I create cost budget because I have set for myself that I'm not going to spend more than $5 in a month. So one thing I want to tell you is, not always you are being charged. If you are using the free services, you're not being charged. I will show you where you can see that. Okay. So your monthly budget name, give your budget name, my monthly, mhm, my monthly budget one. Okay. Period is monthly. You can select it quarterly or annually, whatever, however you want it to be. You want to be a recurring budget or expiring budget. I'm keeping it as recurring budget. So what will happen is, same budget will apply every month, and starting from this month, it's a fixed one. Okay, and budgeted amount, I'm giving it as $5. Say I don't want my cost to exceed beyond this. Okay, whenever using services, I don't want my cost to exceed beyond this. And select a budget type. Okay, select a budget type. You have selected the budget type here, cost budget already, and the configure. You can now, next step is configuring your alerts. So say you can give that how much percentage, on how much percentage you want to get an alert. Say you have used 80%. This 80 means 80% of your $5. Okay, say it is $10, that means 80% of your $10, whatever your amount you want to be alerted on. So either you want to get an alert on your actual cost or a forecasted cost, depends on you. So I have I'm going to set an alert on 80% of $5. That is whenever it is $4, I'll get an alert. And you have to give an email ID. Okay, where do you want to get an alert? So say you have already incurred a cost of $4, you'll get an email, whatever email you set. Okay, say this is the email I set, and I just confirm the budget. uh, One more thing is SNS. So SNS is one of the service, simple notification service. So if you add some phone numbers or some email ID, you can get notification through SNS. So I just prefer email ID, which I give here. So I will just stick with that, and I will confirm the budget. See, and now it is just telling you to just see and review it. So this is a cost budget, which monitor your cost against a specified amount and receive alert when your user defined thresholds are met. So this is the budget amount you have set for yourself, and you'll get an alert at 80%. When greater than 80%, at greater than $4, you're going to get an alert. Create an alert. Now this is done. Whenever you're using any of the AWS services, right, and your cost say reaches that $4 amount, crosses that $4 amount, immediately you are going to get an email from AWS that you have reached the 80% of your $5, and you can just at that time you can just go log in and check where the costs are getting incurred. So it's not like that you're going to pay for everything, but there are a lot of services that Amazon provides us as free, that I'm going to discuss you in another video, or maybe I can show you here